Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for the support. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. Today I am making this delicious breakfast smoothie. Come with me, let us show you how I do it my way.
Cinnamon, for your device, you know, say a chat boss. I'm here represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sista J. Your World. Sista J World. Your World.
For this smoothie, I'm using banana, strawberries, oats, and flaxseed, and Lasco milk. And this is the strawberry flavor Lasco. To the blender, I'm adding the oats, then the flaxseed, followed by water, now I'm adding the Lasco, strawberries, and the banana. Now I'm adding the ice, and it's time to blend. I'm using the Vitamix, but any blender will do the job. And there you have it, my lovely people. My nice creamy smoothie is ready. Delicious and nutritious. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so.